Hi class, this is Lisa, your class librarian, and I'd like to quickly show you how to find and download the PDF version of a full text article in one of our databases. Most of our scholarly journal articles should have a PDF option available. The value of using the PDF version is that it is a photographic image of how the article originally appeared in the print copy of the journal, and also it is much easier to identify page numbers to use in your in-text citations. Different browsers may display your PDF slightly differently. I am currently using Google Chrome to search Social Index, which is one of our EBSCO databases. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and bring you to an example results list in Social Index. So here we are. So you can see under each article, you're going to see either or HTML full text under an article or PDF full text, or sometimes you'll see something that says find it. Okay, so if you have a results list and you see find it, that means that particular article is not full text in this database, but if you link to find it, if we have it in another one of our databases, it will bring you there. You're more likely to see HTML and or PDF full text. And so you see this first article, you have an option. If you have a choice, always take the PDF full text option. I'm going to go down to my example article. Okay, so here's article number 5, Parental Involvement and Adolescent Academic Outcomes, Exploring Differences and Beneficial Strategies Across Racial and Ethnic Groups. And that's from a journal called Journal of Youth and Adolescence. You see, I have both options, HTML full text and PDF full text. So to bring up the whole article, I can simply link to the PDF full text and bring up my article. If I prefer, I could link to the title of the article, which will bring me to the article record. Okay, so sometimes this confuses students. If you do link to the title and bring up the article record, also know that you could reach the PDF full text here on the far left from the article record. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link and bring up the PDF full text of this particular article. And there it is. Now, one thing that I should mention is occasionally with particular browsers or maybe older versions of browsers, the PDF might not populate this part of the screen. If that happens, instead, you'll probably see a little button that says open. Okay, and then you would open it and then your article would download. Okay, so that could happen to you, but most of the time the article should load here. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and use your download button here, or go up here at the top that says download PDF. Okay, so it should come up, but if it doesn't, either click on open or go up here to download PDF, or you could try your download button over here. This comes in handy if you do have to upload a copy of your article to your Brightspace shelf for your class. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. I'm going to link to the download. And as you can see, I'm able to save this in whatever folder makes sense to me. So I could save it to my desktop or just save it to my downloads and name it something that makes sense to me, like my Social 201 article or something like that, and then go ahead and save it. And then later you'll easily be able to upload it to your Brightspace shell. Okay, so that's just a quick illustration of identifying and downloading the PDF. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to post a question in the class discussion board for the librarian, or feel free also to email me directly at ejweigar@hack.edu, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks.